Hello, this is the Clock Guy. I have a special video I'd like to share with you today. It is my monetization giveaway. I finally reached YouTube's level for monetization, which could really help me, since I don't charge people to fix clocks, might help me get more clocks fixed and repaired, pay for some shipping and things and some parts. What I've decided is a monetization giveaway as a thank you from the Clock Guy. And it's going to be a Cuckoo monetization giveaway. Any idea what I'm going to offer as a giveaway? A cuckoo clock? Yes, a nice painted cuckoo from Herbert Herr of the Black Forest, Germany. I'm going to do a nice service on it, reconditioning it, and I will be offering it up as a prize for anyone who comes to my channel and subscribes and also leaves a comment. Leave a comment below specifically on this video and subscribe to my channel, the Clock Guy. I will put all the names in a hat that I gather throughout the week. So on this coming Friday, Valentine's Day, we will be, what will we be doing?
We will do the drawing of the comments left by subscribers for this beautiful Cuckoo clock.
Yes.
Cuckoo, cuckoo. Have you done the I Love Lucy cuckoo clock?
I have not done
yet?
the I Love Lucy cuckoo clock.
Cuckoo, cuckoo.
What was that? Wait, that wasn't a very good one.
That was supposed to be Ricky?
Yeah, it was. Cuckoo, cuckoo. You have to see that if you've never seen it. It's pretty funny. Anyway, this will be as a thank you for all of your patience putting up with my videos, which can be rather boring. So we will be doing the drawing on Valentine's Day. I'm not sure what else to say, except thank you. I really mean thank you very much. I'm learning as I go, so hopefully they will improve over time. Be less boring. Okay, so there it is. Leave your comments throughout the week. Subscribe to my channel, and I will contact the winner and probably do a video on our drawing. Thank you. Thank you all. You've all been great. And I appreciate all the support and kind words that you say. If you ever have comments or interested in any clocks or interested in any kind of clocks, I am good at searching for clocks, searching for parts. I can tell you if something's a good buy. If you're looking to buy a clock, send me a picture, an email or a link or something, and I will tell you if it's good or not or what you should offer. I'm just the all-around clock guy, just trying to help out and keep these guys on the walls, running, and keep their history alive. That's what I'm all about with the clocks. So, thank you for watching.